Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder sound settings into a POCO C50. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen record button. If you don't have this button here, tap to edit button, then find the screen record button in this block gray, and then press and hold like this and drag to top for add. And now for save your editing, tap done. Now press and hold this screen record button, and here we got sound source option. So tap on this, and here you can change mute, microphone or system sound. If you wanna without sound, choose mute and it's save automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.